Hello guys, this is Mayank Chara with Team MICROHUB here. As you know, we are a customized test fixtures design and developer as per your requirement. And this is a very unique test fixture which we are going to give you a brief introduction and how we are making this type of fixture for the client. I'll give you a brief on that also part. So first thing is why PCBA test fixture is required, because lots of clients is asking that we have 500 boards and we have 50,000 boards. So is there any requirement of for the PCBA test fixture? These type of questions are coming to micro. So yeah, when you are using PCBA test fixture, there are lots of benefits. First thing, a time saving. You are saving a lots of time when you are using the test fixture. If some of the test is taking 15 to 20 minutes, test fixture is going to execute that similar kind of test in 15 seconds only. There is no need of any test engineer or test smart technician. You can just have a normal operator which understand the system and press the button. System will going to give you a pass and fail notification. They don't need to use their brain. System is going to use its own brain and give you a pass and fail notification. So it is machine dependent, this is a technology dependent, time saving and accurate with the data logging. So each and every time in how much in it at what time stamp, how much as a particular PCB is tested will come to know. It is also utilized for the analysis purpose. Some of the particular tests are coming fail, then you can have the component issues, you can figure it out and get it back to you. Lots of insight as per the EMS and the your R&D engineers, and as per your design segments, you can test a particular PCB on test device, then you will get an lots of benefits. So let's start a practical demo how we are making this fixture and how particular this fixture is working. So this is a SSR test fixture where we are giving a 400 volt of DC voltage, and we are testing SSR. Yes, it's SSR working on the AC signal, but we are testing it on a DC power supply because client's requirement we are getting that you need to test it on DC supply. So we have manufactured the system inside electronics, inside brain is depend on the DC supply. We have already signed one test fixture which is based on AC. This is a second order we got with the DC, and we already third order we have running, that is combining AC and DC also. So we have very repeated customer, our repeated customer rate is very high, and we are giving lots of fixers to because of our service and understanding of and technical team we have inside. As in always video we say, we have in-house electrical, electronics, mechanical and mechatronics with the software development team who can give sit on a single table and give you a best solution for your test fixture in very less time. So yeah, there is lots of uniqueness in this fixture. This fixture is based on PLC and HMI with the data logging system. Lots of settings are there inside. One more thing, this is at 400 volt DC, so we need to do a sorting test first. So if particular this PCB is not going to touch with the pogo pin, we are going to use the connector for that, because we need to test the connector also, connector is perfect or not. So we are doing first sorting test. If system is particular PCB is passing that sorting test, we'll check the another test. Also with the DC supply, we are not directly giving power on and power off the DC supply. No, it's not like that. We are gradually increasing the DC supply from 0 volt to 400 volt. So in particular volt, like on 300 volt, this SSR should get the triggering. We are sensing that triggering and we are notifying that trigger is getting. When coming down, once it is reaching on 300 volt, it is giving perfect output. We are gradually decreasing the voltage on particular 25 or 30 volt. It should give another triggering, and then both triggering is perfect. Then this particular PCB is ready to dispatch, and we can now dispatch that particular PCB. So to test this much of particular PCB, you will need a very smart technical team or technical engineers and smart technicians who will taking lots of time, and you will not get output with the timeline. So this fixture will directly notify this is pass, this is fail. So let's start a practical demo on fixture so we'll get an idea. So if you can see for the sorting test, we'll show you that part also. I have just intentionally sorted some points. These are the 4 points. You can see 4 points. Let me show you which 4 points are going to test it. 1 2 3 4, these are the 4 points. You can see 1 2 3 4. I have manually sorted these points, right? So internally that can be possible in PCBA, and that need to be fetched out at the starting of the particular test cycle. So let's start. This is the sorted PCB which I am putting here. This is not sorting PCB which I am putting here. So let's start a demo. We are powering on the particular test fixture. You can contact MICROHUB anytime for any test systems requirement. We'll give you the best solution on that. This is initialization process is going on. I will also show you inside of the fixture what is the inside in the fixture. So this is the setting window. This is for the sorting test, reset and main. If you go into main, so we have different type of SSR. You can see here different types of SSR are there. This much of different type of SKU. These are 16 6 or 8 SKUs are there. You can see 6 SKU. We need to test it out in a fixer. So I need to select the part number, and then particular part number, the triggering voltages are different, and it is going to test it out. So let me check. This part number is, I think, which one is this? Is a 52 or 66? Which part is this? This is a 66 part number. This is a 66 part number, right? So I am selecting this particular 66 part number and going on the main window. So this is sorted intentionally. This is same part number but not sorted. We'll do both of the testing, sorting as well as the after sorting test, what other tests are required. So I'm attaching this particular PCBA here, and I'm starting the test. This is sorted. So let's see. You can have the video full, so this can be figure it out. So we need to select the SSR first. SSR selection, we are going to do SSR selection. This main SSR is selected, yes, and we need to start it out. So check out sorting test. Okay, this is the error. Why we are getting the error? When we are starting this SSR test, it is going to give you a notify that first we need to check the sorting test, then and then you can start the main test. So okay, so this is a sorting test. You can see this is a sorting test window, and we are going to check the sorting test. Is a pass on first point, second point is pass, third point pass, fourth point it is giving a fail notification. This is XE2 and XE3 is sorted. So this system figure out that it is not a perfect for the next test site test conditions. So we should remove that part. So system has automatically detected that sorting. So let's go on particular this PCBA where sorting is not there, and we'll test that particular PCB on that. So we'll reset that, and we'll remove this, and we'll attach this new SSR. This is the same part number. So we'll start the sorting test. It is pass. It is pass. Pass. Fourth is also pass. So when all tests is passed, it is ready for next test. So it is coming on second window where this particular PCBA is passed, and we can take the another testings of that particular PCBA. So let's start the test, main test. So you can see a gradually increase of DC voltages. The trigger is on AC, so both AC and DC is going on trigger on control voltage is alag, triggering voltage is alag. So AC is on through the SSR, and on control voltage we are gradually increase the DC voltage is go up to the as per the SSR selection, and on both stage when gradually going up it is going to give you a stage 1 pass, when gradually coming down it is going to see you can see a pass. When it was going up it was pass, now it is going down. So in second triggering we are going to get the perfect output or not. And accessory is okay or not okay. So it is working perfectly. It is gradually going down. Yeah. So it passed both these stages and SSR is okay. So you can see how much time systems took to notify this particular SSR is okay or not okay, and giving the output as per the requirement. So if you have any such kind of requirement, MICROHUB can provide you the best test automation solution where we can utilize the PLC and HMI and SCADA system. We can also have the embedded system with the software and desktop application development, and we can also give you only mechanical structure if required with the test pins. So let's go inside the test fixer. Let me just power off this system and you will get inside what is the mystery, this mystery box has. So let's go inside. Let me remove this and you can see mind brain behind the system. So this is the PLC. This is the AC step up transformer because this is 230 watt inside going on. We are stepping up the transformer. This is the inside the circuitry part which is gradually increasing and decreasing the particular DC voltage. So we have AC to DC converter, then after a MOSFET switching system, and MOSFET switching is gradually increasing the DC voltages. So this is the inside. You can see a wiring perfections, you can see a metering perfections, you can see a programming perfection and mechanical perfection from MICROHUB side. So this is a perfect PCBA test systems which MICROHUB is delivering to client. As I always say, we are providing test systems in India as well as out of India. And if you have any such kind of requirement, you can just contact MICROHUB. We'll get back to you with the best solution. Also, thank you very much for liking us and giving us so much of orders that we can that we are very happy to serve you on that part. Please like and subscribe our channel so we are getting lots of motivations when you are liking and subscribing our channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.